Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that love will not make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 25, NASDAQ off 8, S&P's off 2.5, gold contract down $6.70, trading at $1,702.70 an ounce. Silver down 4 cents at $31.75 an ounce. Platinum down 13 at $1,558 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.57 a pound. Light sweet crude down 97 cents at $85.71 a barrel. Bonds down 17 ticks at 147.07. King dollar off 5 ticks at 80.03. King dollars, folks, is going for the 82 mark. It is laying right underneath the swing point. You had some volume acceleration yesterday and today. Euro 129.71, and the yen is out there at 79.79. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're at 1408. This leg here wants to bring it down to the 1390 level, folks. We did 600 million shares today. You shot volume. Bottom line is that she's going to attack this swing of about the 1397, and we'll see what kind of juice we get as we start moving lower. We got 670 million yesterday, and you got 649 today. Dow Industrial, same setup in the Dow. What you have with the Dow, she can't get out of her way. She's at 13,077. She's going to be making her way down to this 12,800, 12,900 area. NASDAQ Composite, same thing with the composite. Composite out here, you know, the composite, what the composite is doing, the composite is expanding with volume as we head lower. First breakdown sounds at $2 billion. We did $1.9 billion out here today in the composite, and it was a slow day, folks. So it's pretty wild. We are at 29.81. She's making her way down to this 29.42 area. NDX 100, same setup in the NDX 100. Of course, tomorrow it's going to be 4:30 tomorrow. It's going to be all about the NDX 100. And realistically, it's going to be all about technology. Why? Because Apple leads up, Apple leads down, folks. And this is the 4th day that Apple has got some real juice inside her. So what you have here is that, in particular, the first, let's see. Yeah, so we get 3 days. What Apple has done is this. Okay, so Apple's flat today. Let's see. Apple is it was up $3.47. So what you have is this. She now is pushing on a swing low with accelerated volume, and that's how this thing is set up on a weekly basis. So right now it's saying that, listen, Apple wants to go not only lower. It looks like it wants to go a lot lower. We take a look at some of the high-volume stocks in a low-volume market still. We had Facebook. Facebook got some juice underneath. She was up 373 today. We had Corning. Corning, we'll go back to Corning. Corning was down. Corning was down $1.26. We had, let's see, Yahoo was down 12. We had RF Micro Devices was up 4 cents. You had Honeywell down 53. IBM was off 53. And if we go to the gold market, what we had with gold out here is this. It's just a drifting. That's the bottom line. Drifted down 670 today. And what you're going to see closed at the 1702 area. This is going to go attack the 1691. This is going to be making its way back to the 1638 area, folks. That's how this thing is set up right now. Why? Well, you get the dollar index. She is just sitting under the swing, last swing high. And this is what it is. So she's got a couple little swing highs up in this small. They're 80.31. Last time we were up there, we did 18,000 contracts. Well, yesterday we turned around, we did 21,000. Today we did 18,000. And what's going on, She literally is just sitting right there. When you're sitting under swing low and you have an expansion of volume, she wants to break that area. Breaking that area will bring her up to 81.30. I suspect it will actually get her up into around the 82 area. What you had out here today is that you had the Fed meeting. Bottom line is that what you had with the Fed is that they said they're going to still keep rates low to the middle of 2015. And Gupta, who was the guy he gave the tip to the insider trading, he just got 24 months in prison. He got it made. 24 months. I think the other guy got like 10 years. Oh, what a trip, man. Anyway, 24 months. Yeah, he gets a 24-month sentence for insider trading. It's nothing like the Rolodex, folks, and he had a better one than the other guy with the billions. There's no two ways about that. 877-927-6648, TSCO. Let's see what we got out here. So is this after the close? This would be pretty intense. Yeah, I guess Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply closed at $95. She's trading out at $91. Let's see what she's saying out here. Where is she? Okay. Okay, Tractor Supply. Third quarter sales were $1.7 billion. The sales were up 9%. Earnings per share was 69 cents. Whatever is inside here, they don't like it. That's the bottom line. That little baby, it's just a wide open gap, too. Wide open gap. Check this out. TSCO, you get a wide open gap. She's going to go a lot lower than this, too, folks. Okay, she's down $8 right now. But, you know, she's going to go fill that whole gap at $79. That's pretty intense. No doubt about it. We go take a look at Zynga, ZNGA. So Zynga closed at 212. She's trading at 234. Oh, clear the decks with 234. Give me a break. That's hilarious. Bottom line, she's not going anywhere but downtown. The earnings per share in 2012, the estimate was 4 cents. They now plan on making 2 to 3 cents. Let's see. FFIV. Whoa, this is intense. They're taking apart all these stocks, folks. So F5 Networks, that closed at $93.32. That's trading at $83 right now. Let's see what she has to say. You talk about taking stocks apart, man. This is a trip. You know, and this is the whole deal, folks, on a markdown number one, and that we'll go back to this, but they don't. If you stay in stocks and there's no volume in them, okay, they don't let you get out. That's the real bottom line. So F5 Networks, revenue is $362 million. The revenue was up 15%. Okay, so what's in this estimate? Yeah, they didn't make the first quarter. They're not going to make their estimates. So that is trading down $10. My God. Oh, my God. Oh, this is a disaster anyway. This is a monster ABC down, folks. So check this out. Whoa, baby. Oh, this is trouble in paradise. Okay, so the A point on this is 136. The B point is 90, so you get $46. And this is trouble. This is going to 60. 60 and 4. No, 70. So 60. 1 second. 60. It's 106. 65 bucks. Let's go see what's back at 65 bucks. Holy cow. Okay. Oh, she's dead meat. This thing's dead meat. You're not going to believe this. You know what's wild? You got, okay, at $69, you get a high volume low. And the ABC down is 65. Folks, the ABC structures are all over the place downtown. If you're long this market, just get stops in if you don't want to get out. Let's get a Mark in Fort Collins. Hey, Mark, what's going on?
Too much, Tom. How are you?
I'm doing great, man.
Good.
We're going to look at good old Ford.
Yeah, Ford looks like it had a little sign of strength today. It looks like it might, I know you said get out of anything you got long, but it looks like it wants to run back up to that 1057.
Let's take a look. Well, I said put the stops in. Some people will never get out, but if you put a stop in, you know, the low is $8.82. The high is 13. It's trading at $10 right now. So let's bring this back. Okay, so I see what you're looking at. Ford's in a consolidation, folks, with a shot of definitely going for $12.65. So I see what you're looking at there. That's the consolidation. Yeah, just hang with us a second, all right?
Okay.
This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. We had the Dow finish down 25, NASDAQ off 8.5, S&P's down 2. We're going to be right back, folks.